Hey guys, Mapletail here. Today we're talking about the recently revealed cover and blurb for the next graphic novel in the Warrior Cat series, Exile from Shadowclan, and we're drawing Pool Cloud. Before I get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's take a look at that cover. Like all the recent graphic novels, the cover is gorgeous. The forest background is lovely and so full of life and color. I love Nightpelt being backlit in the center there. The lighting is so nice and soft while still being dynamic. I cannot wait to get a little preview of this book as we usually do. I'm sure it'll be just as pretty on the inside. Alright, let's give that blurb a read. Shadowclan faces two paths. Only one will save its legacy. On the verge of a bitter leaf bare, Shadowclan stands on the brink of its own destruction. Its leader, Brokenstar, is bent on nothing but battle and revenge. His former mentor, retired warrior Nightpelt, hasn't had an easy path, but he has always put his clanmates first. So when Brokenstar banishes Nightpelt and the rest of Shadowclan's elders to the farthest edges of clan territory, Nightpelt is shocked at his cruelty, but he's determined to ensure that he and his fellow exiles survived the coming frost and live to reclaim the Shadowclan they've always known. This is such an interesting and a bit of an unexpected choice of a graphic novel. I like that it's Shadowclan focused, and another story from the early arcs. Since we've gotten a RiverClan 1, a WindClan 1, and now Shadowclan, we'll likely be getting a ThunderClan and SkyClan 1 in the coming years, which would be awesome, especially a SkyClan 1. Anyways, it's really cool to get another Elder POV. It's something we don't see often at all. Greysturd's vow is the only other example I can think of. And Nightstar's story is so unique as a clan leader. Going from elder to exiled to leader of Shadowclan, but having a failed 9 lives ceremony due to Brokentail still being alive. How neat is that? I think it's a great choice for a graphic novel, and not one I would have thought of. If I'm not mistaken, this is also the time period where Tall Poppy would still be alive. Another of my favorite minor characters, so I would love to get a scene or two with her in it. And I think that's about it from me. Enjoy the rest of the drawing. Thanks for watching. I'm pumped for this book, so let me know what you think about it. And I'll see you next Thursday.